So let's open this up, this DeepCool AIO. I don't know why I think I can do these one-handed. Okay. Nicely shipped, nicely packed, everything the right dimensions. So in we have, I'm not really sure what this is. Mounting hardware, probably, would be my guess. Yep. So there's the brackets. Intel and AMD. Okay, RGB controller. Not sure why it's not focusing, but there's another RGB. Not a controller, it's an RGB switch or adapter. So then we have 120, together they're 240 millimeter fans, full RGB. And then we have the actual all-in-one. So you can see thermal paste is already applied. I'm not going to put more on it. I'm going to trust their proportions. Hopefully I'm okay on that. You can see here, that's the tube I was talking about. Stainless steel. It used to be glass, I guess. I think it probably had some issues. So now stainless steel. These fins are RGB. It's not that small. I guess that makes sense. It's a new pump. And then the radiator is a double wide, so it's 240. I have to say, some of the reviews, or at least one review that was popular, said that it came with some of the fins bent, and they posted the pictures. And I'm not gonna lie, my first impression when they posted it was that looks like he got a returned used item. Everything here looks pretty good. Like, it was a pretty solid shipping job, and like I said, it was shrink wrapped. I had taken the shrink wrap off to get a look at this before I did this video. So that's what we have with the DeepCool GamerStorm Captain Pro V2 Add RGB. That's the full name of this, and it's quite a mouthful. But again, 60 bucks. 60 or 50 bucks for this thing, not bad. I'm very happy with it. Got good reviews. It's got really, if they're telling the truth, it's got a really high, the fans are 69 point something CFM with high static pressure. So I had actually bought another cooler, canceled it immediately, like before they shipped it, I should say. Actually, I bought two more. One was a really good one, and I didn't realize it. When it said a 280 millimeter radiator, I assumed it meant lengthwise, but it actually is wider too, and that just wouldn't fit in my case. So I caught that before I received it, so I was able to cancel it, no problem. That was also a really good sale. It didn't have RGB, but probably better for cooling because, huge radiator. But then I made another purchase, which is okay. But I checked the static pressure and it was like 1. So this should be a little better than that, not as good as 280 millimeter. And then the CFM for these fans, if they're telling the truth, are about as good as anything I've seen for the AIOs, at least the ones that are in the $100 price range with 70. So, but yeah, so that's the cooler that we've selected. Hopefully, it does a good job of cooling my 5900X. Yeah.